an artist, right, I think you should look like how your music sounds. So like your style, when you pull up somewhere, what you look like. When people watch your music videos, what do they see? How does that look? The quality of that. I really wanted to get my style and my visual right, and a lot of thoughts went into that. Like my stylist, who also is one of my creative directors, made a very conscious decision. We're gonna dye your hair brown because that looks good with your skin tone. All the girls wear wigs. We should do only braids for you. So we're going to find all the coolest and freshest braid styles, and we're going to work with the best braiders, and that's going to be a big part of your brand is braids. Let's highlight the best parts of your body. Your legs look good. You have nice boobs. We're going to put you in skirts. We're going to put you in corsets. Like, okay, what's your signature makeup look? We have to have a signature makeup look for you. We have to find a makeup artist that makes you look the best. That was a 6 to 8 month process of building, of trial and error that no one saw. The length of my braids, I don't do braids past like this length. That's like a conscious choice because that's what frames my face the best.